Today we are going to do pair of linear equations in two variables. Now you know linear equation is of the type ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, where a, b and c are real numbers and a and b not equal to 0. This is our linear equation in two variables. Two variables are x and y. A, B, C are your real numbers and a and b will not be equal to 0. Now you consider any equation. For example, I am taking 3x plus 2y is equal to 5. Now when you will put x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 1, left hand side will be your 3 into 1 plus 2 into 1 means 3 plus 2 is equal to 5, and right hand side is also 5. So means the point 1 comma 1 satisfies the given equation. Satisfies the given equation. Now you put x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 7. Any point you put 3 into 1 plus 2 into 7. This is our left hand side. Means 3 plus 14, so it is your 70. And right hand side is your 5. So the point 1 comma 7 does not satisfy the given equation. Similarly, you can put other points. So from this we generate that every solution of the equation is a point on the line representing it. Now general form of 4a pair of linear equation in two variables x and y is a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. These are the pair of linear equation a1, b1, a2, b2 not equal to 0 and a1, b1, c1, a2, b2 and c2 are real numbers. Now in 9th class we have done that two lines lie in a plane only if one of the following possibility is there. Now what are the possibilities? Number 1, either the lines will intersect. Second, will not intersect. That is, the lines are parallel. And the third possibility is the lines are coincident. So for this pair of linear equations we observe the following result. if a1 upon a2 is not equal to b1 upon b2. Now first you listen, what is a1? The coefficient of x in first equation. What is a2? The coefficient of x in second equation. What is b1? Coefficient of y in first equation. What is b2? Coefficient of y in second equation. c1 is the constant term in first equation, c2 is the constant term in second equation. So if you find that a1 upon a2 is not equal to b1 upon b2, then the lines have unique solution, intersect at a point, and third is the lines are consistent. This is the first case. Second case, if a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 but not equal to c1 upon c2, means these two ratios are equal but these are not equal to c1 by c2. So you will say that the lines have no solution. The lines are parallel and the lines are inconsistent. Third case, if a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 is equal to c1 upon c2, all these three ratios are equal, then the lines have infinite many solution. The lines are coincident. The lines are consistent.